Good morning students. I am Mohan, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. See, here we are discuss about already we discussed in the last class the discrete mathematics and why we are using the discrete mathematics, what is the purpose we are using the mathematics, and what is the logic we are using in the mathematical algorithm. That all the points we are using the last classes. So now the class is to be a proposition. So proposition is a declarative sentence which is either true or false. So already we discussed in the last class what is the true and false. Again we have to see something, particularly what is the sentence either true or false. See, in this statement, see, first we have to say in the first statement, New Delhi is a capital of India. See, in this statement is really the maximum number of persons will know the answer, and even though every state have a capital, and then the New Delhi is the capital of India. So that is the statement is true because it is declared by our government of India is the New Delhi is the capital of India. So in this statement there it is a true. So when the statement is declared, it will be a true, because we know that every person will know that the capital of India is New Delhi. And one more thing, the next is, see, Chennai is in England. See, Chennai. See, England it is not in Chennai. We know that very clearly that Chennai is not in England. Chennai is in India. So with this statement, we know that the true or false, the person will know that very clearly it is a false statement. Because the Chennai is not in England, because Chennai is in India. So the Chennai is not in England. So that statement is absolutely false statement. Everyone does know that. Next, the third statement is 10 plus 6. So we'll see that 10 plus 6 is 16. Is it possible is 10 plus 6 is 16? Yes, it is possible, because when we add the 10 plus 6 is 16. So that is the true statement. 10 plus 6 is 16. That is a very true statement. So that is true. Next, there is a lot of statements in this, like this statement. There are a lot of statements are there in this, like true and false. So when we apply the x plus 2, for example, the sum of 5 and 2 is 7. In this statement is true or false. When we see that the sum of 5 and 2, let me see that the sum of 5 and 2 is 7. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible, because when we add 5 plus 2 is 7. So this statement is true. If we say that the sum of 5 and 3 is 7. See, in this statement see the sum of 5 and 3 is 7. Is this possible? See, in this sum of 5 and 3 is 8. Very well, you know that. So in this statement is 7, that is false. Because it is not possible the sum of 5 and 3, that is 8. So here it is given the 5 and 3 is 7. In this statement is false. So as the declaration of proposition, that is the declaration of the sentence, it is whether it is true or false. So nearly we see that 5 sentences, that sentences are nearly true or false. So that statement is New Delhi is a capital of India, it is true. Chennai is in England, so it is a false statement. So 10 plus 6 is 16 is true because the sum of 10 plus 6 is 16. Then the sum of 5 and 2 is 7, that is true. And then the sum of 5 and 3 is 7, it is a false statement. So in this statement, whether it is true or false, then it is called as a proposition. So that statement, it will be a true or false, whether it is called it as a proposition. Thank you.